Hello, today I'll be talking about various parts of the eye and how the eye works. Welcome to your channel Pradya Netralaya, all about the eye. I am Dr. Sriram Ramalingam, Medical Director, Pradya Netralaya. The various parts of the eye are the cornea, iris, lens, retina, and the optic nerve. Cornea is the frontmost part of the eye. It's a transparent structure. It has got no blood supply. It helps in focusing the rays of light onto the eye. The iris, this part gives color to the eye. It has a small opening in the center which we call as a pupil. The pupil controls the amount of light entering the eye. It contracts in bright light and dilates when the light is very dim. Lens helps in focusing the light onto the retina. It changes its thickness, which helps in seeing distant, far objects, near objects, or intermediate objects. It also protects the retina from the harmful ultraviolet radiations. The retina and the optic nerve. The retina is a light sensitive layer of the eye. It converts the light rays into electrical signals. These signals are transmitted to the brain by the optic nerve. It is very important for all of us to know that our vision depends upon the brain as much as the eye. The eye basically detects pattern of light, and this light is sent to the brain, which detects this pattern as images. So light is bent or refracted by the cornea and the lens, and it is focused onto the retina. It passes through the pupil. Depending upon the amount of light, the light is very dull, the pupil dilates. The light is very bright, the pupil constricts. The image formed on the retina is always upside down, or what is called inverted. The signals are sent to the brain by the optic nerve. The brain reconverts these images and makes it straight. That's why we are able to see a straight objects. The brain also adds details to the image like the color, size, shape, depth, and movements, and also helps in recognizing objects like this is a dog, a cat, a house. Images from both the eyes are sent separately to the brain. These images are slightly dissimilar. The brain fuses this image and we are able to see as a 3D, or we are able to perceive depth. To see clearly, there should be a good coordination between the brain and the eye. So eye, as you have seen, is basically like a biological camera. It is much better than any camera. You can't imagine. It has a resolution of 576 megapixels. No camera is made till date with this high resolution. So this is how our eye works. The eye is basically a receiving station and the brain is the main processor. My next video will be on refractive errors of the eye.